Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. Today I'll be solving another SQL problem. Problem 577, employee bonus. Let's take a look at the problem statement. We're given two tables, employee and bonus. Table employee has 4 columns, emp ID, name, supervisor, and salary. And table bonus has 2 columns, emp ID and bonus. Emp ID is the column with unique values for each table, and emp ID is a foreign key in bonus table, reference to emp ID column in employee table. Alright, so our task is to report names and bonus amount of each employee with a bonus less than 100. So the bonus, this is our condition, it's gonna be less than 8,000. So we want to have a list of employee name from employee table and the bonus, which is less than 1,000. And if the bonus is null, we should have null value in the output as well. Alright, so let's get started. Alright, so this is the left join situation. So one way to approach this problem is that, like, in reality will not be given like an output like this. Usually would have to kind of visualize what the result look like. So look at the task. We're gonna have a column name and a column bonus where the amount, the bonus amount is less than 1,000. But how about when the bonus is null? Do we want to include null value in the bonus column, or do we want to just exclude the null value? So in this case, because we are given the expected output to include null value when this employee doesn't have a bonus, so we are going to include the null value as well. So let's start by select. So we want to have a name column, a name, and also bonus from bonus table, bonus. Right, from, I'm gonna select from employee. We want all the employee names. So employees will be the table on the left. I'm gonna do from employee. I'm gonna give it an alias. I'm gonna call it E, and left join with bonus table, and I'm gonna call it B table. So we're gonna join on employee. Employee in bonus is the foreign key, references the employee ID in employee table. So we're gonna join on E dot emp ID equal to B dot emp ID. So let's first run this without the condition, and you'll see that in my output I'm having all the employee names: Brad, John, Dan, and Thomas. When we put in the condition where bonus is less than 1,000, Thomas will not be here. But because if we put bonus less than 1,000, null value will be excluded as well. So I will run this so you can see that Dan will be the only one in our output. But in the expected output here, we want to see where the bonus is null as well. So we are going to add or bonus is null. So let's run that. As you can see here, the output is now looks identical with the expected output. Let's submit that. All right. Another way to handle the case where we want to include null is, instead of having where bonus is less than 1,000 or bonus is null, we can use if null function. So if bonus is null, right, we will replace it with 0, value 0. So then the 0 will always less than 1,000, meaning that we will also include those that the bonus is null as well in our result. So if I run this, you see that because bonus is null, the value will be replaced with 0. So 0 compared with 1,000 or less than 1,000. So in this case, we also include Brad and John, where his bonus is null. And let's submit this one. Yes, so we passed all the test cases. Thank you for watching. I will see you in another video.